Good Sunday morning. I want to give you an update on what's going on with our two tropical systems. Of course, we've got Tropical Storm Laura, and then we've got Tropical Storm Marco, which is already into the Gulf of Mexico. As we take a look at Marco this morning, winds are at 70 as of 7 a.m., moving to the north-northwest at about 13 miles per hour. It will be tracking to the north, and it looks like at this point, be making landfall somewhere in southeast Louisiana around hurricane strength sometime Monday afternoon. After that, it'll take a turn towards the west, stay over land, and then eventually try to work its way back into southeast Texas here as we head towards late Tuesday into early Wednesday, as this kind of a remnant low with winds at about 30 miles per hour. Well, that's kind of a question. We'll have to wait and see how it interacts with the land as it moves off towards the north and west. It could even weaken more than that. But right now, expect to see some scattered showers as we head towards Tuesday into Wednesday, and maybe some gusty winds, 20 to maybe 30 miles per hour as Marco moves across southern Louisiana into southeast Texas. Then looks like we're going to probably see this thing continue to move off, so it's not going to stick around. We're not going to see rains with this one. The next storm system after that will come in, and that's going to be, of course, Laura, which is going to be moving just off towards our west. So this will bring us some scattered showers. As we look at the tracks from the computer models, most of them are fairly consistent bringing it into southeast Louisiana. Then they're all over the place as we get in towards the middle part of next week. Now here is Laura. The track on it right now has it as a Category 2 hurricane sometime late Wednesday into early Thursday, tracking into maybe southern Louisiana, southwest Louisiana. Right now, winds are at 45. It's still down over the islands of the Caribbean, moving to the west-northwest at 18. But moving into southwest Louisiana, south-central Louisiana, Category 2 hurricane, and then quickly moving north up towards Arkansas as we head towards Friday. We're going to be on the west side of this, but still, if it comes in as a Category 2 hurricane this close to us, definitely going to see some strong winds. We'll see possibly some heavy rainfall, and we'll have to wait and see as far as how much rainfall. Right now, indications are we're going to see anywhere from 1 to 5, 1 to 6 inches over the next several days, not just with this storm. So something going to be watching closely. Also, you got to realize that this is 4 days away. And especially with these last couple of days, you see how these tracks fluctuate so much. So this could be moved all the way over into parts of central Texas, or it could even shove farther off into parts of Louisiana or Mississippi. So kind of just look at this and say, okay, I need to be prepared, but this is definitely not set in stone as far as the track on Laura. This is the latest track from the National Hurricane Center as of Sunday morning, but something to look at and say, okay, I definitely need to be prepared, but I'm expecting fluctuations in this track as we go through the next 2 or 3 days. As we take a look at the computer models for Laura, right now, probably the best consensus is up towards central parts of Louisiana, southwest Louisiana. That's why they're, I think, predicting the track that they are. But you notice some of the models also taking it off towards the east a little bit farther. So once again, still up in the air, I think, and we really need to kind of watch this as the track will be changing, I think, over the next few days. Real quick, the 7-day forecast showing dry conditions for the most part today and tomorrow, and then we'll start to see some of those tropical rains come in from these systems as we head towards Tuesday through Friday. I think some of the heaviest rains will probably be late Wednesday into Thursday, as we'll see Laura track just off towards our east. So stay tuned. Things will be continue to change as far as the tropical systems as we go through the next several days.